Hey, you on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this VGR V431. It's a blow dryer. For me, it's a good one. Got two temperature settings. Double overheating protection and a cool function. The cable is not really that long, just 1.8 meter. I would have preferred a little bit more longer, and okay, got 1600 to 1800 watts. It's okay, it's not that powerful, but what I know, with the blow drying, you get the texture more better, that's it. And so let's open it up, man, and see what they got for us inside, So, as you can see, got just, the nozzles and the blow dryer. And for me, I would have preferred if maybe it got also the diffuser, because for the same money you can get other blow dryer that comes also with diffusers, so this one is not bad. I really like the color, that's why I bought it, and I bought it for my wife, so she really like it. So this is the nozzles, and it's another color to this green, and that's it. And here is the manual. It was already out already, and you can get the green one or the, I don't know, red, or I don't know which color is this. So just two colors, and yep, that's it. So let's see. So I really like this green color, that's why I bought it, See that? Nothing really on the body. This is the front. So, and the cable, it's not that long. These are the settings. The first one is the code, and this first speed, the first speed, not too hot, but it's okay, and the high speed. So that's it, and let me plug it, man. See, just snap it in. That's it. And you got it. Blow dryer. Now I got a full blow dryer. I would have preferred maybe it got also the diffuser, I would have really preferred it, but I just want to test this one, how it is, and my wife really likes it. Okay, so I just plug it in now, and let's hear how it sounds. Okay. It's really blowing. Now it's hot. this courage. As you can hear, it's somehow powerful, you know. So that's it for the unboxing, and peace, man. All right.